ABS-CBN Summer, Station 9.
That's right, ikaw ang sunshine ko, isang pamilya tayo. At napanood na po natin ang lyric video. At this April 17, abangan naman ang official Stars Solid Kapamilya Station ID na I'm sure magpapangiti sa inyo.
Pero speaking of LSS, dahil pa-Holy Week na, naku, abangan nyo ang Lenten special ng ASAP LSS with Kim Chu, Alex Medina, and our very own divine diva, Miss Shasha Padilla, sa kanilang nakakaantig na pagganap nila sa mga kwento sa natin mamaya yan.
Ayos yun kasi ito yung unang pagkakataon na yung mga paborito niyong ASAP artists gaganap sa ASAP LSS.
Yes!
First time ever.
Yes, first time ever yan. And of course, don't miss the music of the inspirational diva Miss Jenny Rivera on ASAP Pinoy. Lifetime with us. Mamaya po yan sa MOR 101.9 po.
That's right! From hashtag ASAP Summerland, ito naman ang their greatest love ang favorite natin teleserye sa Kapamilya Gold. Eh, malapit na mag-farewell. Kaya naman to you their heartwarming advice. Live on the ASAP stage, please welcome, we have Dimples, Andy, Adam, Richard, Noni Camino, and Silvia Sanchez. We have the cast of The Greatest Love!